This has been the machine of my dreams ever since I started embroidering. And today we get to unbox the Tajima SAI. Let's go. I really like that this box has a set of instructions for you to follow right away at the top. All right, let's cut these out right here. 1, 2, and the first step for the box says to take these off. So I'm thinking like this. Oh, that's pretty simple. And there's 2 more on this side, which you guys can't really see, but they're back here. All right, taking them off. Next, it says to take off the top box, so that's what we're going to do. Is this a 1-man job or a 2-man job? I don't know, but I'm doing this by myself today. Right at the top, we get one of the cool hoops, and it's really nice how it includes some felts already. So this is how you get to test your designs right away. Very nice, Tajima. What else do we got? We got the read this first step guide, which is very important because I think this is how we're gonna put the machine together. We got some more hoops. Ooh, very nice. I do like this hoop right here. We got some threads. That's very sweet. We also got the gel. And what else is up here? I think it might be where the threads go through. Cute little threads for us to embroider, and it's red and blue. Very nice. You definitely want to do this on the floor as opposed to the table that I'm doing this for, but I'm doing this for you guys, so you guys get to see the whole glorious thing. Next, we have to take these cool panels off. So it says to just slide out. So I'm just sliding this off. This is a pretty big brick. That's what it looks like. It's pretty cool. And this is the one that goes into the electricity. Wow, this machine is so tiny. Tiny but powerful. What a beauty. This is what you get coming out of the box, and I'm just gonna move it for you guys so you get a better view. Here's the machine in all its glory, and for the first time ever, I feel like I actually need to use the user guide because this is like bare bones. We have to set it up. But overall, I gotta say, it is such a beautiful machine and the quality is just insane. So without even touching it, I'm gonna read this and set it up. Also at the bottom of the machine was these tools, which are the ones that we're gonna utilize to set it up, as well as just a bunch of knickknacks that I think are part of the machine, some screws. They really give you everything for you to get started. Okay guys, it looks like this is gonna take a while, so let's just use the magic of YouTube and do a time skip. So I ended up following the setup guide, which was honestly pretty simple. It took me no longer than 30 minutes to get it done, and I didn't even know that this machine had a stylus pen. I am dying to try this out. Also, I think this is a European cable, but they did include the American one in another box, which is this box right here that includes the frame set, because yes, this machine can also do hats. It is amazing, but we'll probably save the hats for another video. I've already plugged in the machine, so let's turn it on. Ooh, I'm gonna select yes. Actually, we should be using the stylus. And look at that, it even has a crosshair laser. I think it's already built into the machine. Yup, right here in the middle. Wow, that's really, really cool. And that's it. I think the machine is on. Now, like it says, before you even start using the machine, make sure to read through the chapters. Let's learn the names of the things that they do. And especially if you're a beginner embroiderer who just got this machine, you want to learn and familiarize yourself with all of the different aspects of the machine. So for example, number 1 up here, this is called the thread tension. Number 2 right here, this is called the needle bar case. Number 3, this is the needle base LED lamp, which is over here, and so on and so forth. So make sure you guys take a read at this guide to become a pro embroiderer. Right here on chapter 2 on getting ready to embroider, it shows us the threads, where they go, as well as if you want to use metallic threads. Very nice that they included that, as well as how to thread all of your threads from the beginning. I'm not gonna show you how I thread every single one of these because it's also gonna take a while, so let's use a little bit more magic. Okay, so this machine includes this tool right here, and it has a little groove that helps you guide the thread through the machine. So let me just show you super quickly. You just put this little plastic thread through all the way to the end, and you'll see this groove at the end of this plastic. So I'm just gonna grab this black color and I'm gonna put it like this and almost like push it down and back. You see that now this thread is stuck there. So on the other side, I just pulled through and the thread will pop out on the other side. Now I'm gonna pull this one like that, and that's it. The color is through, and honestly, it's pretty simple. that secures the threads. Thread tension, amazing. Now at the home screen, we can see the 800 stitches per minute. We can see the time right now, which I have to fix. We can go here into the threads, and I like that you can set up your own threads. So it even has a bunch of options that you can use. I'm probably just gonna stick to isocord, which is the most popular. I'm gonna click set, and I'm going to select the name from it. So right now, number 1 is this one right here, which is a yellow. So I'm just gonna set it to yellow. Number 2, again, isocord set, and I'm gonna select the blue, which is, let's go around to the blue, it's a light blue like that. Now, ultimately, because this machine only has 8 needles, I probably won't be changing these as often, and I just kind of remember where the new threads are that I put, so it's a lot quicker. But if you're a beginner and this helps you out, then make sure to set your colors up. Now, for me, 4 and 5 will always be black. So I'm gonna set 4 to black, and 5, I'm just gonna set it to white. Set, perfect. I never really touched the threads from the back, so that's why I prefer to have it that way. You can get really accurate with the color codes if you really want to, but for now, I'm just kind of setting these up. I like how quick the screen is. It's very nice. And that's it. So now we can go back. Perfect. Now we have the new color set. And if you don't want to be changing all of these all the time, just go to the colors right here, and then you can switch between, let's say 8. Let's say now I want it into purple. I'll go to purple and I click set, but I want to keep it at red. So I'm just going to go back and click set. You can see that's where they are. Here we have the settings, which allows us to, I'm assuming, reset the settings. What's this? Thread detection, return stitches, middle, return to position, jump, awesome. That's if we want a network, cool. What's this? Condition data, auto start at the same color, awesome. Yeah, the guide is definitely going to help out figure all of these settings. Here's if we want to create some fonts. If we go to the leaf, which means the design, we can go to record, and they include a sample, and it's the Tajima SAI sample as well as this one. Let's try this one, click set and see what happens. Okay, to delete fine stitches, sure. Now this is the window where we change the color. So let's say, for example, that one right there at the top, if I don't want it to be blue, I can simply switch it to light blue, and now it's that color. Let's say I want it to be yellow, then it'd be yellow, and so on. So let's say I want to go all the way to 9. What's 9? SAI. Maybe SAI I want it to be the color, what is this, black? Yeah, it looks like black, so I'm just gonna set it there, and I'm just gonna click set. You have options for tubular 1, tubular 2, cap, pocket, sock, shoe. Amazing. We're just gonna stick with tubular, and we can rotate the design if we want to. Cool. Set, and we can move it around. I'm just gonna go back though and click home. Super neat. I love it. So why do I like the Tajima SAI so much, and why is it my dream machine? Well, when I first got started in the embroidery business and I got my first multi-needle machine, I ended up going for one that was a lot cheaper. It was a Chinese machine, and one of the issues that I encountered a lot is that I spent so much time trying to fix it that multi-needles almost became a headache for me. And after doing some research, I learned that Tajima machines are the highest quality machines in the industry. That's because the machines come from industrial machines, and this one they created from an industrial machine almost to like a home multi-needle machine. And you can really tell the build and quality straight from the box. So we're gonna be embroidering our first design and put it to the test. This is 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters, so I'm just gonna get a design that fits this hoop. We're gonna be doing a kokeshi doll. It seems pretty fitting since this is a Japanese machine, and I've already preset this hoop, so I'm gonna put it in the machine. The bobbin is already in and preset, so I'm just gonna close that part, and I'm gonna put this hoop inside. This is 100 by 100 or 4 inches. So I've loaded the kokeshi doll design onto a USB, and we're just gonna get this started. The USB plug is right here, so let's see how difficult or how easy it is to get a design going. It reads that the USB is in, so I'm gonna press USB, and it's actually right there. Perfect. I'm gonna click set. So I'm gonna be using the PDF to select the colors that I want. So I just took a quick little photo with my phone on the way that I want the design to go, choose the colors. By the way, if you want this and over 30,000 designs, digitizingmadeeasy.com, that's where you can get all your files professionally digitized. So it says black, which for me is 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, I'm gonna set black for the first color. It's already done. The second one, it says it is bisque, which is this one, so it's 3. So I'm just gonna click on the 3, which it shows as purple, but in reality, it's black. So I'm gonna go to the second one, I'm gonna click 3, then I'm just gonna do the rest of the colors. Perfect. So now I can set. And what is this? It is a tubular design, which is going to be the hoop that we have. We have tubular 1, which is perfect. So we're just gonna click set. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it like that so I can click set. Tracing and is executed, yes. Let's execute some tracing. Always very important to execute tracing. That way you know exactly where the design is going to be on your fabric, because you don't want this machine or any machine overall to be hitting the hoop. All it says now is to press start. That's it, guys. We're gonna get to the first embroidery and see how this design goes. Here's the first embroidery ever done on this Tajima SAI, and I gotta say, I'm very impressed with the results. It had no errors that I can see whatsoever on this design. Even the back looks incredibly well, the tension and everything. And it's amazing that although this only does 800 stitches per minute max, it actually stayed at 800, which is a lot more than other machines for this caliber. This is truly a great quality machine, and it is the one that I would recommend anyone looking to get started in the multi-needle embroidery machines. By the way, if you didn't know, the reason why I chose these dolls is because they bring a lot of good fortune and luck, as well as appreciation for great craftsmanship. And that is what I desire when going into the multi-needle industry. You guys don't want to be purchasing a machine that is going to break down and you're going to have to spend hours and hours fixing. This machine right here is built for quality and speed, which means that you plug it, once you set it up, it's ready to start making you embroidery designs at insane speeds with the best quality, which means that you spend more time selling and less time trying to fix your stuff.
Looking for the best beginner embroidery multi-needle machine? Meet the Tajima SAI. Precise, reliable, and user-friendly. Unlock exclusive bonuses by filling out the form on our website. We'll connect you with an official Tajima partner to complete your purchase and claim your rewards. Elevate your embroidery today and click the link below to learn more.
So thanks so much to Tajima for creating an awesome machine like this. I just want to give a quick thanks to Hirsch for partnering with us, because I finally get a chance to showcase to you how amazing this piece of equipment is, and I look forward to all the amazing tutorials that we're going to create together. If you guys have any questions or have any suggestions for us to make tutorials, leave them in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next embroidery video. Take care, Legacy family, and watch this video next.